is a great honor to play for Nigeria. It is a great honor to represent Nigeria over 200 million citizens. It is absolutely, for me, I think it's a privilege to be here because we have so many great players back home. And to represent Nigeria is like, it's like a great deal, you know. Like I'm really privileged to be here, to be part of this team, this great squad, and I always try my best to give everything for the team also. So I'll say it's a great privilege to be here, and every player wants to be in a national team, but even the younger players, when they watch, they look up to us. I was once there, looking up to the great players like Mikel Obi and the rest. So my dream also was to be part of it. So being here is really a privilege to be part of it, and I'm really honored to be here. Thank you.